Hey everyone, ChatGPT is always getting better. In December 2024, ChatGPT got some really cool updates. These updates make ChatGPT even more powerful and fun to use. Let's dive into these exciting new features. ChatGPT is changing how we use AI. It can help us with work, learning, and even having fun. Get ready to be amazed by the latest features. One of the best new features in ChatGPT is called Projects. This feature is designed to help you streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. Imagine you're working on a big project, like planning a major event or developing a new product. You have ideas scattered across sticky notes, documents, and various chat conversations. Your digital workspace can quickly become cluttered with multiple open chat windows, scattered files, and endless tabs. It can get messy and overwhelming. This is where Projects comes in. Projects helps you organize everything by allowing you to group related chats and files together in one place. You can easily drag and drop files into specific project folders, making it simple to keep track of all your important documents and conversations. This makes it super easy to find what you need when you need it. No more wasting time searching through a cluttered digital workspace. Projects also lets you give ChatGPT special instructions for each project. This means you can customize how ChatGPT assists you based on the specific needs of each project. For example, you can upload a file and tell ChatGPT to analyze it, summarize it, or even generate new content based on the information provided. This is great for research, writing, and more. Whether you're a student working on a thesis, a professional preparing a report, or a creative writing a novel, Projects can help you stay organized and efficient. Projects also makes collaboration easier. You can share project folders with team members, allowing everyone to access the same files and conversations. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and can contribute effectively. Additionally, you can set deadlines and reminders within projects, helping you stay on track and meet your goals. ChatGPT can even send you notifications to keep you updated on your progress. With Projects, you can transform your chaotic digital workspace into a well-organized, efficient hub for all your work. It's a game changer for productivity and organization. So, start using Projects today and experience the difference it can make in managing your work. Happy organizing! Remember when you could only type to ChatGPT? Well, now you can talk to it. The new voice mode is even better than before. You can share your screen, show images, and even have video calls with ChatGPT. This is perfect for meetings, presentations, or just chatting with friends. There's even a fun Santa voice for the holidays. Imagine that, talking to Santa on ChatGPT. Need to find something on the internet? Now you can do it right inside ChatGPT. With ChatGPT Search, you can look up anything you need, get the latest news, check the weather, or find a recipe, all without leaving your chat. This saves you so much time. No more switching between apps or tabs. ChatGPT Search puts all the information you need right at your fingertips. Section 5. Get visual with ChatGPT Canvas. Sometimes words aren't enough. That's where ChatGPT Canvas comes in. Canvas lets you create visuals right inside ChatGPT. Imagine drawing diagrams, making mind maps, or even sketching out ideas. This feature is still being developed, but it has huge potential. Canvas could revolutionize the way we brainstorm, learn, and express our creativity. Section 6. Is ChatGPT becoming sentient? The O3 model rumors are swirling about a new ChatGPT model called O3. Some say this model is getting close to AGI, artificial general intelligence. That means it could think like a human. While OpenAI hasn't confirmed anything yet, the possibility of a super-intelligent ChatGPT is both exciting and a little scary. What will it mean for the future of AI? Section 7. More cool features from 2024. That's not all. This year has been a groundbreaking one for technology enthusiasts and professionals alike. The advancements we've seen are nothing short of revolutionary, and the updates to ChatGPT are a testament to that. ChatGPT got a bunch of other cool updates in 2024. These updates are designed to enhance user experience, making interactions more seamless and intuitive. Whether you're using ChatGPT for work, study, or personal projects, these new features are sure to impress. Here are a few highlights. Each of these features has been meticulously crafted to address user needs and feedback. The development team has worked tirelessly to ensure that these updates not only meet but exceed expectations. Advanced voice for web. Now you can use the new voice mode on your computer too. This feature allows for hands-free operation, making it easier than ever to interact with ChatGPT. Imagine being able to dictate your thoughts and have them instantly transcribed and processed by ChatGPT. It's a game changer for productivity and accessibility. GPT-4o Mini. A smaller version of GPT-4o that's faster and uses less power. This compact powerhouse is perfect for mobile devices and applications, where space and energy efficiency are crucial. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance, delivering the same high-quality results users have come to expect from ChatGPT. Improved data analysis. ChatGPT is now even better at understanding and analyzing data. This update is particularly beneficial for professionals who rely on data-driven insights. With enhanced algorithms and processing capabilities, ChatGPT can now provide more accurate and detailed analyses, helping users make informed decisions faster. Memory for Plus users. If you have ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT can remember your past conversations and give you more personalized responses. This feature is designed to create a more cohesive and tailored user experience. By remembering your preferences and previous interactions, ChatGPT can provide responses that are more relevant and contextually appropriate. These updates make ChatGPT even more powerful and versatile, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves exploring new technology. The future of AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. With these new features, ChatGPT continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, making it an indispensable tool in our daily lives. Stay tuned for more innovations and updates as we continue to evolve and enhance the ChatGPT experience. Section 8. Try out ChatGPT's new features. Welcome to the latest update on ChatGPT, where we introduce you to some exciting new features that will enhance your experience. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. Excited about all these new features? We are too. Our team has been working tirelessly to bring you the best tools and functionalities. Imagine being able to interact with ChatGPT in ways you never thought possible. The future of AI is here, and it's more accessible than ever. The best way to experience them is to try them out yourself. Dive into the new features and see how they can make your tasks easier and more enjoyable. From enhanced conversational abilities to new creative tools, there's so much to explore. Head over to ChatGPT and start exploring. The interface is user-friendly, making it simple for anyone to get started. Whether you're using it for work, study, or just for fun, ChatGPT has something to offer. You can try the new voice mode, create a project, or even collaborate with others in real time. Voice mode allows you to interact with ChatGPT using just your voice, making it more convenient and hands-free. Or test out ChatGPT Search. This feature helps you find information quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for research, learning, or just satisfying your curiosity. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us and helps us improve continuously. We want to know what you love and what could be better. We'd love to hear what you think. Join the community of ChatGPT users and be part of the conversation. Together, we can make ChatGPT even better. Happy exploring. Section 9. The future of AI. ChatGPT is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. With each update, ChatGPT gets smarter, more versatile, and more accessible. It's an exciting time to be following the development of AI, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.